Here is a given two sets. We all know the definition of the sets. Sets are the distinct object. Mean is that there is no repetition in elements. First we see a set A contain elements 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no repetition in the elements, which means A is a set. But in B 1, 2, 3, 3 and 4 there is a repetition is in 3. That means B is not a set. Okay, the next is the object of the sets are called elements. Like if we have a set A 1, 2, 3 and 5. Here is the 1, 3, 2 and 5 are the elements of the sets, and set are denoted by capital letters. If we have a set like A is equal to 4, 5, 6, these symbol shows belong to and this does not belong to. If we can say 5 belong to A, this one is correct, and we can say 7 belongs to A, which is not possible. This one is not correct. Special sets, standard notation used by the define some sets. N stand for natural number, set of all natural number. Natural number are those which is started from 1 and never ends. Z stand for set of integer. Set of integer are those which contain positive and negative both values, like 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 and so on. Q set of rational number. Rational number are those which is written in the form of P over Q and Q cannot equal to 0, like 3 over 4, 7 over 9, 13 over 3 and so on. Set of real number which contain all the set like natural number, integers, rational and irrational. C set of all complex number. Complex number which is also denoted by Z, and it is written in the form of A plus B iota. Here A is a real number and B iota is a imaginary number. Subset. If every element of set A is also an element of set B, we say set A is subset of B. A subset of B. For example, if A contain elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B contain the element 1, 2, 3, 4, the all element of B is containing in a set of A, which means that B is subset of A. Equal set. Two sets A and B are called equal if they have equal number and the similar type of the element. A subset है B and B subset है A. This implies that A is equal to B. If we have a set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is also 1, 2, 3, that means A subset A is B and B is also subset of A, which is called equal sets. Empty set, a set which does not contain any element is called an empty set, or null, or denoted by curly brackets are empty set. Example, the set of the whole number less than 0. You all know the whole number which is started from 0 and never end. 0 plus 1 plus 2 and never end. But there is no element which is less than 0 in whole number. That is mean the answer is empty set. Singleton set. A singleton set is a set containing exactly one element. For example, X such that X is an even prime number. You all know about the prime even number. Even number are those which is started from 2, 4, 6 come the table of 3, and the odd number are those which cannot come the table of 2. If we discuss about prime numbers which is started from 2, 3, 5, 7, the only number 2 is even and the all prime number are odd. That's mean 2 is an singleton element. Disjoint set 2 set A and B are said to be disjoint set if they do not have any element in common. For example, A set A 1, 2, 3 and B set 4, 5, 6. There is no element in common, which is called disjoint sets. Universal set. The universal set is the set that has all elements are being considered in the problem. For example, universal set is represented by U. U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and A is equal to 1, A is equal to 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 1, 5. A and B are all the elements contained in universal set U. Operation on set. There are 4 basic operations are union of sets, intersection of set, complement of the set and Cartesian product of the set. If A, B, C and we want to find the union of the sets, in the union of the set all the elements are occur without repetition. For example, if we want to find A union B, A is equal to 1, 2, 5, 6, 8 and B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. 1 is occur in set A and B, but we write only one time. 2 one time, 3 one time, 5 is occur 2 times, but we write only one time. There is no repetition in set. Complement of a set. In complement of a set, for example, if we want to find the complement of A, we subtract universal set from set A. Universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and A is equal to 1, 3 and we want to find complement. A complement 1 subtracted from 1 answer is 0. 2 is not subtracted by any number, 2 as it is. 3 subtracted from 3 answer is 0. 4 subtracted from 4 answer is 0. 5 as it is, 6 as it is, 7 as it is and 8 as it is. Today we will learn question number 1, 2 and 3. Exercise 4A, page number 45. Question number 1. If universal set is 1, 2, 3 to 20 and A set is multiple of 2, B set of multiple of 4 and C set of multiple of 3. List of the element of the following. A 1, 2, 3 to 20. Multiple of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. B multiple of 4. Multiple of 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Multiple of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. A complement A complement which is equal to universal set minus A. Universal set is 1, 2, 3 to 20 minus A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 to 20. 1 as it is, 2 minus 2, 0. 3 as it is, 4 minus 4, 0. 5 as it is, 6 minus 6, 0. 7 as it is, 8 minus 8, 0. 9, 13, 15, 17 and 19. B complement as it is universal set minus B, and C complement which is also equal to universal set minus C. In question number 2, the universal set is started from 30 and end from 45, 31, 32, 33 and 45. The complement of the following sets: A, B, C, D, E. A contain elements 33, 37, 39, 42 and 45. A complement which is equal to universal set U minus A. Universal set start from 30 to 45 minus A set 33, 37, 39, 42 and 44. 30 as it is, 31 as it is, 32 as it is, 33 subtracted from 33, answer is 0. 40, 34, 35, 36, 38, 40, 41, 43 and 45. B complement universal set minus B. Universal set is 30 to 45 and B set is 30, 31, 32 to 36 and so on. 30 minus 30 answer is 0. 31 minus 31 answer is 0. 32 minus 32 answer is 0 and so on. There is no 35 in set B, then 35 come in the B complement. 43 is not occur in set B and 44 which is also not occur in the set of B. C is non-prime number which is divisible by which have more than two factors. 30, 32 and 45, these are the non-prime numbers. C complement which is equal to U minus C. U universal set is 30 to 45 and 30 minus 30 answer is 0. 31 minus 31 as it is, because 31 is not occur in the set of C. 32 minus 32 answer 0. 33 minus 33 answer 0 and the next number is 37, 41 and 43. D multiple of 4. Multiple of 4 is 32, 36, 40 and 44. D complement which is equal to universal minus D, answer is this, and E also universal minus E and answer is this. Question number 3. If the universal set is 1 to 10 and A is the prime number, B is the even number and C is the multiple of 5, then the element of A, B, C, A complement, B complement and C complement. Universal set 1 to 10, A is an prime number in 1 to 10 is 2, 3, 5 and 7. B is even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and C is multiple of 5 is 5 and 10. A complement which is equal to universal set minus A, 1 to 10 minus 2, 3, 5, 7, answer is 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. B complement which is equal to 1 to 10 minus 2, 6, 8, 10. 1 as it is, 2 minus 2, 0. Those elements which occur in set B are not written in the B complement. Same as it is in C complement, universal set minus C, universal set 1 to 10 and C contain 5 and 10. In C complement 5 we cannot write the element of 5 and 10. We write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 5, 0, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 minus 10 is 0. Any question? If you have any question then ask to me. Homework, do practice now. 1. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.